In this video, I'm going to be going over how to install WordPress plugin in cPanel step by step. Installing WordPress plugin in cPanel is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you will successfully have your WordPress plugin installed in cPanel. Let's get started. To start, I'm on the cPanel page. Scroll down to the Files section. Click File Manager. Over on the left side, click on Public HTML folder. Next, click the WP Content folder. From the WP Content folder, you'll see the Plugins folder. Click Plugins. From here, you'll see the plugins you currently have installed on your site. If you do not see any plugin folders, it just means you don't have any plugins uploaded and installed in your WordPress site. To upload the WordPress plugin, click Upload at the top. Next, click Select Files or drag in the WordPress plugin zip file. I'll click Select Files. This file here is a WordPress plugin zip file I have. Just make sure you upload the zip file for the WordPress plugin. I'll select it. I'll click the Upload button. The WordPress plugin will begin uploading. Once it's done uploading, you'll see the zip file showing here. Click the Go Back to your WP Content Plugins folder. If you don't see the WordPress plugin zip file showing, click Reload at the top. You'll now see the WordPress plugin zip file you just installed. Next, click the WordPress plugin zip file. Click Extract found at the top. Click the Extract Files button. Once it is done, you'll see the extraction results. Click the Close button. If you don't see the WordPress plugin folder showing, click Reload at the top. You now see the WordPress plugin folder file you just installed. The WordPress plugin has now been successfully installed in cPanel. Next, click on the WordPress plugin zip file. Up at the top, click Delete. You can go ahead and permanently delete the file and click the Confirm button. You'll see the WordPress plugin name here. I just uploaded the Yoast SEO WordPress plugin, so mine says WordPress SEO. I'll pull up my WordPress dashboard. I'll hover over Plugins in the left side menu. Click on Installed Plugins. You'll see the plugin you installed showing. I used the Yoast SEO plugin for this tutorial. It's showing here. To activate the plugin, click Activate and the WordPress plugin will be activated. That's how to install WordPress plugin in cPanel. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress and cPanel tutorial videos.